Hey everyone, it's Annie. Today I want to show you how to create a high converting landing page using Landerlab's editor. It's so easy that it takes just a couple of minutes, so let's get into it together. This is the Landerlab's editor. We have sections and we have elements, pop-ups, and gallery where we can upload images by ourselves or we can choose from Unsplash. So today we are going to create it from the scratch. We won't use pre-made sections. We can definitely do that, but today we are going to do it all by ourselves. The first thing that I like to do is to choose the font family here, because this will help me to have the text on the same font for headlines and paragraphs as well. As you can see, we just copy and paste the text and we can edit from font weight to letter spacing, line weight, even the color. I'm going to leave it black for the moment, but you can do it however you like. This is one of the main reasons why Landerlab is the most loved landing page builder for affiliates, because you can use simple drag and drop actions to create a very high converting landing page. Now I'm going to choose an image from the gallery. You can choose it, as I said, from Unsplash or from your PC, however you like. So, as you can see here, we have city in dashes. And what this is about? This is dynamic callouts, which means that wherever a user is based, the city will be automatically changed based on their location. So for, let's say, if someone is from Tirana, this will be automatically Tirana. Or if someone is from anywhere in the world, this will automatically change. Now I'm going to drag and drop a CTA here, and you can link this CTA to your page. In this case, I'm choosing the default URL to Landerlab, but you can do it however you like. You can change the text and you can even track the clicks within Landerlab. Another cool thing about this landing page is that this is optimized for tablet and mobile as well, as you can see here. So this took just a couple of minutes and I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.